You're losing because you're racing someone else's life. You're losing not because you're not talented, not because you're not working hard, but because you're running a race that was never yours. Every morning you wake up and the first thing you see is someone else winning. Someone bought a new car. Someone got engaged. Someone hit 100,000 followers. Someone made more money this month than you did all year. And suddenly, your progress feels small. Your effort feels invisible. Your life feels behind. But here's the truth. You're not behind. You're just distracted. Comparison is a silent thief. It steals your focus. It steals your confidence. And worst of all, it steals your joy. You start measuring your chapter 1 against someone else's chapter 20. You compare your beginning to someone's highlight reel. And that's unfair, because you don't see their failures. You don't see their doubts. You don't see the nights they cried. You only see the polished result. Social media is a stage, not real life. And you're sitting in the audience judging your real life against someone else's performance. That's why you feel like you're losing. But let me ask you something. What if you stopped looking sideways and started looking forward? What if the only person you tried to beat was the version of you from yesterday? Because that's the only competition that matters. Not their salary, not their body, not their relationship, not their timeline. Your timeline is different. Some people succeed at 20, some at 40. Some fail at 30 and restart at 35. Some take longer but build stronger. Life is not a copy and paste journey. It's custom made. When you compare, you rush your growth. You force things that aren't ready. You make decisions out of pressure, not purpose. And pressure creates regret. You start chasing things you don't even want, just because someone else has them. That's dangerous, because one day you might wake up successful but unhappy. All because you were trying to win a race you never chose. Listen carefully. Your only job is to grow at your pace. Small progress? That's fine. Slow progress? Still progress. Quiet progress? The most powerful kind. A tree doesn't compete with the tree next to it. It just grows. And eventually, it becomes strong enough to stand on its own. You need that mindset. Instead of saying, "Why are they ahead of me?" start asking, "Am I better than I was last year?" That's it. That's the shift. Because when you stop comparing, you start improving. You focus more, you feel lighter, you move with purpose. And suddenly, you're not stressed about being behind. You're proud of becoming better. Remember this, someone will always have more than you. More money, more fame, more opportunities. But nobody can have your path. Nobody can walk your exact journey. Nobody can build your exact story. So stop racing someone else's life. Run your race, at your speed, on your lane. And trust that if you keep moving, even slowly, you will arrive exactly where you're meant to be. Not because you were the fastest, but because you never quit your own path. Stop comparing, start building, and watch how peaceful your life becomes.